Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SPF and DKIM in Salesforce to ensure your emails land in the inbox and don't get flagged as spam by your customers' providers. Let's get into it. First, access DKIM keys in Setup. Everything starts within the Salesforce backend. You'll need to navigate to the advanced settings to generate your authentication keys. From the Salesforce home screen, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Setup. This opens the advanced configuration area. In the Quick Find box on the left-hand side, type DKIM keys and select it from the results. This is the command center where you'll create the digital signatures that prove to email providers like Gmail and Outlook that your Salesforce emails are legitimate. Next, click the Create New Key. Key size and selectors, choose 1024-bit for better security. Enter a selector like SFDC and an alternate selector like SFDC2. Salesforce uses two selectors so it can rotate them automatically for security updates without breaking your email flow. Enter your exact domain name and select how you want to match it, usually exact domain only. Click Save, and Salesforce will generate two CNAME records for you. You will access your domain's DNS settings through providers like GoDaddy or Cloudflare to locate your existing TXT record for SPF. Lastly, publish CNAMEs and activate. To finalize the connection, you must publish the Salesforce-generated keys to your DNS and then flip the switch in Salesforce. Copy the CNAME records provided by Salesforce and add them to your DNS provider's dashboard. DNS changes can take a few hours to propagate. Salesforce will keep the status as waiting until it detects the records. Once Salesforce detects the records, an Activate button will appear on the DKIM key page. Click it to start signing your outgoing emails with the new digital signature. And that's pretty much it. To get started, in 2026, go to Advanced Setup, search for DKIM keys, and generate your selectors. After you've added those CNAMEs and the Salesforce SPF include to DNS settings, simply return to Salesforce to activate your keys. This process is the gold standard for keeping your business emails out of the junk folder. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.